guys, I'm Varun and today I'm going to be doing a very classic British recipe for you guys. I'm going to be doing fish and chips. So generally fish and chips is battered fish that is deep fried and served with a side of fries. It is a very traditional British bar food or snack, whatever you want to call it, but I've put an Indian twist to it by replacing the regular beer batter for the fish with an Amritsari kind of a fish batter. It is a spicy red colored batter in which the fish is marinated and then deep fried, and instead of being served with regular fries, I've served with a side of masala fries also. So let's check out this recipe.